YouTube, what is up? I have got the Apple Watch Ultra 2, going from a Series 4 to an Ultra 2. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. Okay, we've got the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and let's just, it comes in a little plain white box.
Giggity.
Awesome. So let's flip it over here, give it a little tug.
Alrighty then.
I can tell you this is a lot bigger box than when I got a Series 4. I can tell you that much. Ooh, popping it, flip it open, cardboard upon cardboard, and it's eco-friendly.
Our Apple team is also making great progress.
So we got a little booklet here going over, I don't even remember what band I got. I think I got the Trail Band. I don't know what I got. And there's the functions. Nice little book here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. Let's get this over there. And the booklet can go over here. I'll figure it all out. It'll be fun. So we have got, so what did I get here? I got the Trail Loop. The Trail Loop. That's the one that I got. What do we got here? Alright. And one more. And lift off. Oof. Man, these are some heavy boxes. And they're... Yo. Yeah, that's they ain't lying when they say it's a beefy boy. Hey, it doesn't even come in its own, it's so big, it doesn't even come in its own little pouchy. It's a paper pouch. Oh, they're trying to be eco-friendly. Oh, did I do it wrong? The whole eco-friendly thing, I get it. Maybe cut down on the cardboard. I don't know though. I mean, for shipping and stuff like that, you gotta have something strong, so yeah, that's... Woof. That's got some weight to it. Man. And there's the little crown, and there's the little action button. I got one of those on my phone. Man, that is nice. Sapphire crystal.
Cool. Cool.
What else came in the box? It's a little more substantial than, oh, that's right. It's got the charging cable. I was like, is there a brick? No. Ah, it's another braided cable, like I got with my 15 Pro. Kind of pop it like a button. There we go. Witcha! That's a nice braided cable with the Apple Watch puck. You know me, I got 3-in-1 chargers. And if this thing lasts as long as they say as far as battery, I don't know, do I still charge it every night? Or do I just set it off to the side? You know, that means I'm gonna need another special area, you know, for my watch to just hang out. Cause one, I never wore this thing while I was sleeping for sleep tracking. I don't want anything on my wrist. Let's take a look at the Trail Loop.
You sure about that?
Is that what? Yep, Trail Loop. So, yeah, this is a lot bigger packaging than the Series 4 and the Series 8. My wife has the Series 8, which is much like the Series 4, except for the always on display and some other features. Huh, look at that, it's like its own little sleevey bobby thingy. Oh, that feels nice. That material's pretty good.
Can you dig it?
So, do you think it's time to take off this that widow guy? You know what, actually, hold on, let me pop this off of here real quick. Let's do a real comparison, shall we? Nasty Series 4. So let's take a look here. There they are. side by side. They want to spin. Yeah, this one's a little taller, but as far as the width, the thickness, just a little bit, a lot heavier. I'll probably say that a lot. I apologize. The larger Apple Watch Series 4 that I have here is 44 millimeters, while the Ultra 2 and the OG Ultra are 49. So, you know, you gained 5 millimeters. Connect it to the band. So how does this band work? Pretty much if there's a, well, I don't know, the middle silver button, that usually means it goes on top. Should I be reading directions? Oh, maybe not. Maybe it only goes a certain way. It only goes a certain way. Oh, you know what? How's this slide in there? What's that look like? Well, hot dog. My watch bands fit. Nice. Putting it on. I'm afraid it's gonna like come undone. I guess it's not gonna come undone, is it? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. You know, even though it didn't seem like it was that much taller, I think the back little bubble area here sticks out a little bit more to make it really come, like, pop off your wrist. Is that what's going on here? Let's take a look at that. Not really. Maybe? I don't know. Oh, and the watch strap size, I got the medium large. Yeah, 49 millimeter medium large. Woof. It's got some, okay. Turn it on. How do we turn this thing on? Just assuming it's just like normal. Like this. Oh, you know what? Maybe I need to put this one on the other. Now this thing, what's gonna be cool about this thing is 3,000 nits. I know the other one had 2,000 nits. This one's got 3,000. This is gonna be like the brightest smart anything out in direct sunlight. Uh-oh, information. English. United States. Oh, is there something I'm supposed to do before? Aha! So I don't lose all my information. Not sure I had a lot of information on this one. I mean, I had my health tracking stuff, but it should all be on the thing, right? It should be on the app, right? I'm just going for it. What do I care? Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. What do I care? I'm set up for myself. This is mine. Oh, picture time. Maybe. Oh, just be closer. Hold the Apple Watch. Oh. Restore from backup. How many Apple Watches have I had? Update required. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Activating the Apple Watch. 49 millimeter titanium and ceramic case designed by Apple in
California.
Download and install. Secret passwords.
Many hours later.
All right, so we might be back in here. So, you know, maybe you don't throw away the instructions. So, you know, because it tells you to have it charging. I was just sitting there like a fool. Anyways, so let's get back to it.
One eternity later.
Okay, we're back in. Finally, word of advice, if you're pairing an Apple Watch or a new Apple Watch, make sure you remove the old one. So, apologize if you guys start hearing some thunder and whatnot, but storms are coming in. So, let's try to wrap this up. So let's see, continue, bold text, sure. Sure. Okay. Oh, how tall am I? 5'9". If I got heels. Wait for me and my phone and watch to know, I guess. So what's this say? Receive a notification when there's something you need to know. I don't want the noise thing. No. I always turn that off. Because I know, it's too loud.
Hey, watch the volume.
Sorry, tinnitus.
Club disease. You kids are all gonna be deaf.
Safety. Not now. Set up later. Set up later. Open depth when submerged. Sure, if I'm ever submerged. Driving safety. Underwater, okay. Apple Watch is sinking. Or sinking, not sinking. Sinking? Sinking. What's new? Yeah, I'll figure it out. Okay, it's done. Finally!
It's working!
Isn't there like special watch? Ah, let's add that one. That looks like a fun one. Ooh, look at that. That's the screen on that is dismiss. The screen on that is nice. So does it work just like the rain's coming? So it works just like everything else, huh? There's the heartbeat sensor. Where's the I like the other rounded where it was like in the center and you know everything was okay. Where's the okay, here we go. There's in-depth, there's depth. Is this the compass? What's this one? Oh, blood oxygen. Ooh, what's my blood oxygen? Make sure your watch strap is not too low on your wrist. Oh. Should be snug but comfortable. Next. Keep your face watch up and try not to move. Resting your wrist on the table can help. Okay. Start. Forgot this had the whole blood oxygen thing. That's kind of key. That's the other thing I think the iPhone, the Apple Watch Series 8 has, blood oxygen. 96. It's not great. Where's the compass? Compass, right there with the arrow on it. Look at that. How cool is that? I thought there was like a... the compass on here looked different. I hope that rain be coming down now. Compass is cool. Oh, it's got the compass when you like move your arm around too in there, huh? What else we got in here? What's this? Oh. No siren. Medication.
Medication time.
I can dig that. Oh, that's right. Always on display. And something else my wife had that I did not, but I have it now. Bigger.
That's what she said.
I can dig that. I'll have to set up my complications. You know, probably do another video. Any questions you guys have about it or anything like that, drop it down in the comments. Yeah, you know, wearing it, it's not too bad. You know, it's not that heavy. I mean, it's still new. I just got it. Although I am worried about, I used to bang this thing up against like my doorknobs.
That's what she said.
Stop it. Get some help.
But it held up well. So this being titanium, hold on, wait a minute. The titanium. Ooh, does that match? It looks like it matches. Yeah, see, I was gonna get the blue titanium, but then Justine, she was like, natural titanium looks great with the Ultra 2. And I was like, well, sold. And if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel, well, that would just be swell. Peace and love, y'all.